So today we have a Mercedes E350 in for new front brake pads, and while we're at it we're going to paint the calipers red. Right, removing the front pads. These ones are worn right down. First off, take the cover. Then the anti-rattle. Then we want to return the piston. So that's the piston right back inside the caliper, ready for the new thicker pads. So to undo the caliper, 13mm socket. Top and bottom. Disconnect the pad sensor. Remove the caliper. See the discs worn into that sensor, which has made the brake pad wear light come on the dashboard. So we're going to replace that sensor with a new one, and that'll remove the warning light on the dashboard. So usually we'd paint the calipers before we put the pads back in and put it all back together, but these ones are quite easy to fit the pads and still be able to paint the caliper without getting everywhere. We'll just give that front of the caliper a nice coat of paint of red. New bolts come with the pads. So a nice thick coat of heat resistant caliper paint. There's plenty of meat left still on them pads, so I'll clean them up and put them back in. That's the calipers painted, the new pads are in, and it's all back together. Thanks for watching. Any suggestions, comment on the videos, or you can message me on Instagram. It's Rochester_renovations.